In this review, we're going to dive into the GetAiPic AI software, a new tool that's generating some serious buzz in the digital space. If you're wondering whether this AI tool is worth your time and investment, stick around because I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about GetAiPic before you start using it. By the end, you'll have all the information to make an informed decision. First off, let me tell you this. GetAiPic isn't just another AI tool flooding the market. This one stands out. It's designed to revolutionize how you create images for your business, content, or personal projects. Whether you're a digital marketer, a content creator, or just someone looking to spice up their visuals, GetAiPic might just be the perfect tool you've been waiting for. And yes, you can try it completely free through the first link below. Now, let's jump into the specifics of GetAiPic and why it's been getting so much attention. One of the first things you'll notice about GetAiPic is how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a tech expert or graphic designer to get started. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners can quickly create stunning AI-generated images in just a few clicks. This is a major advantage for anyone who wants to save time without compromising on quality. Another thing that sets GetAiPic apart is its versatility. Unlike many AI tools that are niche-specific, this one allows you to create images across a wide range of styles. Whether you're looking for something modern, vintage, artistic, or even surreal, GetAiPic has the capabilities to generate it. You can also fine-tune the details to match your brand's unique aesthetic. Next, let's talk about speed. GetAiPic has a fast processing time that ensures you get your images quickly. For those who need visuals in a hurry, whether for a last-minute content piece or an urgent campaign, this software delivers without a significant wait time. You can generate high-quality images in seconds, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. One feature that I absolutely love about GetAiPic is the customization options. You can adjust the elements of the image to fit your needs, from color schemes to specific objects in the picture. This level of control is often lacking in other image generation tools, which typically just give you a one-size-fits-all image. With GetAiPic, you can really make the image your own. In addition, GetAiPic is built with scalability in mind. This isn't a tool that just works for small projects. Whether you're creating images for social media posts, blog articles, or even large-scale marketing campaigns, this software can handle it all. It's flexible enough to meet the needs of solo entrepreneurs and large corporations alike. If you're worried about the quality of AI-generated images, GetAiPic will put your concerns to rest. The images are high resolution, which means you won't have to sacrifice quality for convenience. The details are crisp and the color balance is spot on, making your visuals look professional every time. Lastly, GetAiPic offers solid support, which is something that often gets overlooked in AI software. Whether you run into a technical issue or need help with a feature, their customer service is responsive and knowledgeable. This is a huge win for anyone who doesn't want to be left in the dark when something goes wrong. So, what's the verdict? GetAiPic is a game-changing AI software that can seriously improve your content creation process. With its ease of use, customization, speed, and high-quality output, it's quickly becoming a go-to tool for digital marketers and creators alike. Before you go, don't forget to check out my recommended AI software tools in the description below. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones I believe will make the biggest difference for your business. Try them out for free and let me know what you think. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and let me know how you plan to use GetAiPic.